I'm here today at the newly opened Roots to Roots exhibition at the City Library in Bradford. The exhibition highlights work developed through creative participatory arts workshops at Women's Zone in Bradford. It's a celebratory showcase that brings together textiles, visual artwork, poetry and film. This exhibition is free to visit and it's open during the library opening hours throughout October. I hope the exhibition will inspire and move you. And please remember to tie a tag on our story tree and tell us about your Roots to Roots.